to me, I'll be rude to him back. So, yeah, it's all right. Don't worry, I don't want to talk to you. Not going to treat me with respect. I won't treat you with respect.
This is the moment everything changes. A simple camera audit outside a UK police station suddenly turns into a full confrontation, surrounded by officers, pressured to delete footage, and now they're talking about arrest. What started as filming in public is about to cross the line into something much bigger. Stay with this, because this is where the situation stops being a debate and becomes a full police escalation.
Just doing a little documentary, that's all. I've already explained it to them two ladies that were there. You just not want to surround me, please. Don't go too close to me. I don't like it. You won't be surrounding me. Yeah, you won't be surrounding me, or you won't all walk around me. You're not trying to intimidate me. I've just seen what you just done. Listen, don't speak to me like that. I'm a member of the public, so don't speak to me with respect next time you talk to me.
We've been told by CID officers that you filmed 2 victims that are coming in and out of the station that you're not allowed to do. You can't know who they are, their profiles, you can't know what vehicles they're at. It's caused them alarm and distress, it's a crime. This is private property, you're not allowed to film.
This is not public, this is not private property at all, it's owned by the public.
No, it's not.
Who's it owned by then?
Police, it's private property.
So what?
So I need to stop recording, I need to delete the videos of those victims.
I'm not going to stop recording and I'm not going to delete the videos. You won't walk around me, you won't intimidate me. I've not committed no crime.
You have.
Tell me what crime I've committed.
Alarm and distress.
Who have called alarm and distress?
That's what we've just been told.
Have you had a complaint from them? Have you had a complaint from them? Have you had a complaint from them? They've walked off.
They complained to the CID officers who've complained to us.
No, they haven't.
Yeah, they have.
I've got it all on video.
We've just been told it, mate. So I don't know.
So you've just been told it. We've been told wrong information then.
No, we're not.
I'm telling you, you have.
No, we're not.
I've got it all on video.
Either delete the images that you've done as per our instructions, or we'll have to arrest you, Caesar, and do it ourselves.
And what are you going to arrest me under?
Causing alarm and distress.
This situation kicks off instantly with tension as the cameraman is surrounded by multiple officers outside the police station. What starts as a public documentary quickly turns into a confrontation when officers accuse him of filming alleged victims and demand he delete his footage. But instead of backing down, he challenges everything, asking what law he has actually broken. The officers claim alarm and distress, but the cameraman refuses to accept it, and within seconds, the situation escalates into a full standoff.
To the victims, it's a public order offence.
So, and has that already been logged, that crime, has it?
Well, no, we've opened a log for you now.
You haven't opened a log at all. There's no one created a crime.
Log now. We just created one.
You've what, yourself?
Yeah, you just done it on the radio.
Right. And where's the statement from the people that have been offended by it? Listen, I can film anything from a public place.
It's not a public place.
This is not a public, so I'm not on public property. So who owns it then?
Pretty much the police.
Right, well, I'm telling you now, I'm not deleting the footage.
You have the right to go into a police station. That's but he's saying it's a public place. You can't go in.
I can't go in.
It's part of the property. You can't film people coming in and out. For one, we have covert vehicles coming in and out of the station, so you're not allowed to film them.
So if I was stood at the end of there, can I film them?
This is all the property here. And if you were filming covert vehicles, and you
I can film anything from a public place.
We're having the same conversation.
I can film anything from a public place, so I'm not going to delete the videos. You can tell me what you like. I know what I'm talking about. I can film anything from a public place. Photography is not a crime.
You're not in a public place.
Prove to me I'm not in a public place.
I'm telling you it's Greater Manchester Police property. You're not allowed to.
Right, so this isn't owned by the public, no?
No, it's Greater Manchester Police.
Right, is it public accessible?
The same as that you can't walk.
Is it public accessible?
No, it's not. It's got security doors everywhere. You can't access.
It's got security doors. I can walk right into the foyer at the front.
You can't go in the building.
Right.
So you can go into the reception.
Right, so I can go anywhere where it's public property. This is public.
This is private property, and you can't film, and you have to delete that footage.
I'm not doing it.
So you're not going to do that?
No.
The confrontation deepens as officers argue the area is private property and he has no right to film. But the cameraman immediately pushes back, questioning ownership and pointing out public access contradictions. The officers struggle to stay consistent, shifting between public and restricted, while he calmly dismantles their argument. The tension rises as neither side gives ground, turning a legal debate into a power struggle.
3 officers all try to intimidate me, telling me I have to delete the footage. I will delete the footage. No, you're telling me I have to delete it, and I will delete it. I will not delete the footage. Because I don't have to. I can film anything from a public place.
Listen to me. Listen. Let's have a normal conversation, right? You've got victims leaving the police station, yeah?
Right.
Recorded in your thing. That is causing them alarm and distress. That's a crime in itself.
It hasn't caused them alarm and distress at all.
Listen to me. You're not allowed to record victims.
What time is it now?
What time is it?
13:19 on your phone, right? And this is recording as well, so this has got the information as well. So now you're trying to tell me that someone's rang up within a space of 3 minutes, and you've told me.
You're using words that I've not used.
You told me you've just told me someone's you've committed a crime.
Yeah.
Someone feels harassed, alarmed, and distressed by my actions.
You're just arguing for the sake of it.
I'm not arguing with you. I'm telling you.
I don't get it. Why are you doing that? I don't get it. We're having a normal conversation here, mate.
Right, you're not, because you're trying to incriminate me. You're telling me that somebody has rang up and told you they feel harassed, alarmed, and distressed over my actions.
Someone rang us.
So who's done the log then, yourself?
Yeah.
Why, do you know that they feel harassed, alarmed, and distressed from what I've done?
Victims of a crime. It's a public order, mate.
A public order. So what you're telling me, I've committed a public order offence?
You're arguing
Yeah.
with us, so we're trying to explain it because you seem to know everything.
So you're telling me I've committed a public order offence?
What we're trying to tell you is that you're recording a private vehicles coming out, in and out.
Now the officers escalate the situation by claiming alarm and distress and suggesting a public order offense. The cameraman instantly challenges the logic, questioning how complaints were made so quickly and whether the situation is being exaggerated. He accuses them of trying to build a case against him rather than reacting to a real crime. The atmosphere becomes more serious as arrest starts feeling possible.
From the station, which is a security risk to us.
I can film anything from a public place, whether it's a police car, the personal car.
You're interrupting me. I'm not interrupting you, so listen to me, please.
Go on and I'll listen to you.
I have explained to you, so my auditor colleagues, why we're here. It's the only reason why you are being difficult with us. And that's
Right.
the whole issue there. We don't want you to record private vehicles, police vehicles and stuff like that.
What you might not want me to do, right, is two different to me breaking the law. I've not broke no criminal offence. I can film anything from a public place. This is a public place, so I've got a right to film.
You can film anything, yes, I agree, okay, but what we're
But-
asking you is not to record a police
You can
station.
ask me, and I'm kindly refusing.
Okay, so because you're refusing, we are going off that you're on a private land.
You're going to go off you're on private land. So you're not actually sure whether this is private or public.
Okay.
So this is private property.
This is a property belonging to Greater Manchester Police.
It's property of Greater Manchester. You've been told by 3 different officers, 4 now.
Right,
This is different. This is owned by Greater Manchester.
right. Where I'm stood, guys, is all accessible by the public. Yeah, there's gates there, which turns into private property. As you can see, put in that direction there. There's no gates going across there whatsoever. There's a public foyer just over the gentleman's shoulder in the back, over the background.
If you go to a Tesco shop, you've got a public car park, yeah?
It's a Tesco owned by public.
No, answer the
Right.
question then.
So I'm telling you, the Tesco, you got
It's a
nothing.
private property,
Tesco
yeah?
and a
It's a
police
private
station
property.
are two totally
It's a
different
private
things,
property.
mate.
It's a private property, yeah?
Because it's owned by a private company, yeah?
Yeah?
Right? So is Greater Manchester Police owned by you? Who owns Greater Manchester Police
By
then?
me,
Who?
Greater Manchester Police.
Greater Manchester Police own Greater
A
Manchester
government
Police?
body.
It's a government body,
Yeah.
right? So it's a public building.
Yeah.
Am I correct?
Yeah.
Right. So this is public land. This is public property.
It is public
We
property,
pay. We pay for that building just like we pay for your
I'm paying
wages.
for it as
And
well,
yeah, you are paying it for yourself. Yeah. Or good
We all
fair
pay
play to
for
you.
it.
I'm not going to argue with that. You pay your tax.
The officers attempt to regain control, repeatedly telling him he is being difficult, but the cameraman flips the pressure back on them. He argues about public ownership, taxpayer funding, and access rights, refusing to accept their version of authority. The discussion becomes heated and personal, with both sides talking over each other. Control of the situation is clearly slipping from the officers.
We've already told you we're going in circles.
Right. And I've told you, I'm not deleting the footage. I've done absolutely nothing wrong. I'm in a public place,
Okay,
filming public vehicles,
We're going to discuss
filming from a public
what
place.
we can do then.
You go and discuss whatever you want to try and incriminate on me. You go and do that. Public interest. I'm not going to tell you now. You're telling me I'm doing stuff wrong. You've come out with the wrong approach. You're telling me I need to delete the fuss.
Here normally, and you start giving me aggro for no reason.
Who give you aggro? This chap over there, the guy with the blue mask on, came out with attitude.
I'm not talking about me and you.
Right?
I was talking to you first, was I not?
No, he spoke to me first. It's all on video.
It is on video.
Yeah, and the guy in the blue mask came over talking to me first. I'm relaxed, I'm calm as anything. It's just the way I talk.
It's not.
It's not the way I talk. So do you know me, my personal? Do you know me personally then? You're telling me this is not the way I talk.
I don't know who you are.
Right? It doesn't matter who I am. What's your name? What's your number?
1746.
And what's your name, please? PC McG 14 what?
You've got my call number there, mate.
Say it again, sorry.
You've got it there, you can see.
17446.
Yeah.
Can you introduce yourself, please? It's okay. It's okay, I'll do it for you.
You've come here quite a bit.
What's your badge number, please?
17081.
17081. And what's your name?
Alright, I'll ask you if you can show me the footage, and if they're not in it, then we'll just let it be.
And what's your name? He's not talking to me now, so I'm not going to talk to him. If you read...
The cameraman shifts focus to accountability, demanding names and badge numbers from the officers surrounding him. This flips the dynamic. Now the officers are on camera under scrutiny. Tension spikes as respect breaks down completely on both sides. The cameraman refuses to back down, and the situation becomes openly hostile with no cooperation left.
I'll be rude to him back, so... Yeah, it's alright. Don't worry, I don't want to talk to you. You're not going to treat me with respect, I won't treat you with respect.
The only issue is, mate, is that apparently 2 people have been filmed that aren't allowed to be filmed today. So if you can show us the footage and we're happy that they're not on there, we'll let you be.
No, I'm not showing you the footage. I'm in a public place and I can film anything from a public place.
Listen, mate, you can either help
Listen,
us out,
I'm not
so
your mate. Don't talk to me as mate. You call me as sir from now on.
I know you come here quite a bit.
I don't come here quite a bit, so how do you know that? How do you... No, I haven't. No, I haven't.
Someone matching your description.
I've never filmed here before.
So why have you come here today?
It's got nothing to do with you now. You don't treat me with respect, I won't treat you with respect. You told me I broke a criminal offence. Tell me what? You told me it's public order, now you're changing it. Now you're telling me I've done nothing wrong.
You're not going to show us the footage?
No.
Right, well, you are going to get arrested. I'm just going to find out what the best thing to arrest you for, the most applicable.
So you're telling me I'm going to get arrested?
And then we're going to seize your phone. If you don't
you're going to seize my phone? Right, okay.
Right.
Good luck to you. So now they're going to arrest me now for a public order offence because I won't show them the footage. You ready for this, guys? It's going to be a wrongful arrest. I broke no criminal offence, broken no laws, not done anything, nothing wrong whatsoever.
Everything escalates when officers openly threaten arrest and mention seizing his phone. The cameraman immediately calls it a potential wrongful arrest and continues narrating to the camera. The officers appear frustrated, looking for a legal reason to proceed. Suspense builds heavily here as arrest suddenly becomes a real possibility.
They are entitled legally to anonymity for the rest of their life. So they cannot go on the internet. They just can't. That's why we don't have a power to seize your phone.
So, can I just ask you one question? They walked out of there, where I'm pointing now, okay? And anybody with a dash cam could have drove past and pictured them.
The dash cam's not pointing onto the car park, is it?
They can film them coming out of the police station just the same as I have. So it makes no difference whether I've filmed it or somebody in a dash cam have filmed it. So I'm sorry, you've got no right to privacy. You've got no right to privacy. You've got no right to privacy in public.
They're not in public. They were on.
I can film anything from a public place. I'm going to stop talking to you because all you're going to try and do is incriminate me. So, yeah, you are. They come out telling me I broke this law, I've done this, I've done that. Give me your name, delete this footage. I will make you delete it. I've got it all on video.
And that's fine.
So
you can delete the bit we're asking you to delete because those people cannot go on the internet on your YouTube documentary. That's all we're asking, which I think is really reasonable.
Right, and I'm refusing. I've not done anything wrong. I don't know whether they have captured them on here or not. And I'm not going to stop the footage now when I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 police officers around me. I'm refusing to do anything. No, I'm not. I'm afraid. No. Right. Well, I've not done anything wrong, so I'm refusing. I'm not going to answer any more of your questions, and that's that. Am I being detained? Am I being detained? Am I being detained? Can someone answer my question, please? Am I being detained?
Trying to figure out.
Am I being detained?
Listen to me. Relax a sec. Why are you being
Oh,
like that?
you're walking. Am I being
I'm trying to
detained?
talk to you, walking up.
Am I being detained?
I'm walking with you.
Yeah.
Am I being detained? Under what law, sorry?
You're being arrested on suspicion of Section 5 public order.
Being
In the final stretch, officers argue about privacy of individuals leaving the station, but the cameraman refuses to comply, insisting filming in public is legal. Surrounded by multiple officers, he repeatedly asks if he is being detained. The tension peaks, no clear resolution is given, and suddenly the officers move in. He is arrested on suspicion of a public order offense, ending the confrontation in a high-intensity climax.